Welcome to the second lecture on probability and statistics. In this lecture, we are going to study types of variables. There are mainly two types of variables, the qualitative variables and quantitative variables. Qualitative variables are also called categorical variables, where we measure the quality or characteristic of a varying quantity, the variable. Whereas in case of quantitative variables, we measure the numerical quantity, the numerical value of the variable. That is the main difference. The qualitative variable is also called categorical. This means that we select the value of the variable out of the given set of categories, right? In order to better understand the qualitative and quantitative variables, let's solve an example, right? This is the same example we studied in our last lecture. There is a variable. This is the experimental unit, student number 1, 2, and 3, and so on. These are experimental units, and versus each experimental unit, we measure 1, 2, 3, 4. Four variables, namely GPA, gender, year, and major, right? The GPA, the value of GPA is 2.0, 2.3, 2.9, can be 3, 3.4, etc. Whereas the gender can be either male or female. Year can be out of 1, 2, 3, 4, any value, but cannot be lesser than 1, cannot be greater than 4, because we are dealing with undergrad students. And major, out of the major, for major we have to select out of a given set of categories. So what are, out of these four variables, what about the first variable, GPA? What do you think about this variable? Is it a qualitative variable or quantitative variable? Since we are measuring a numerical quantity, therefore it's a quantitative variable. 2.0, 2.3, 2.9 can be 3, up to 4, any value. Whereas for gender, it is a categorical variable because we select out of two categories, male or female. Year is also a categorical variable or qualitative variable because we select out of 1, 2, 3, and 4. And of course, major is also qualitative because we measure out of physiology, maths, English, etc. So these three variables, gender, year, and major, they are qualitative variables, whereas this GPA is the only quantitative variable here in this example, right? Further, quantitative variables can be represented as discrete variables or continuous variables. Discrete variables, they are also numerical values, but we select out of the whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Whereas this variable, continuous variables, they can take on any continuous value, 3.2, 4.319, for example 9.514, etc. So here is a small exercise. We have to select which of these given which of these given scenarios, which of them refers to qualitative variables and which of them are the quantitative variables. Number one is the most frequent use of your microwave oven, reheating, defrosting, warming, etc. Of course, this is a qualitative variable because we select out of the given set of categories. The number of consumers who refuse to answer a survey, it's a quantitative variable, would be a numerical value. We cannot assign categories to that. The door chosen by a mouse in a maze experiment, there are, of course, there are finite number of doors, 1, 2 doors, 3, 4, 5. So the mouse is supposed to choose out of a given category of doors, door 1, 2, 3. So this is also a categorical variable or qualitative variable. The winning time for a horse in a race is a numerical variable or it's a quantitative variable. We cannot select out of given categories. Whereas the number of kids in a classroom with percentage marks greater than 60% is also a quantitative variable. Right. Finally, we have to summarize what we have studied in this lecture. Given data can be qualitative or is composed of qualitative, can be composed of qualitative or quantitative variables or both, whereas quantitative variables can further be divided in two parts. They are either discrete, taking whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, or continuous variables taking any continuous value. Right. We'll keep on studying more about variables in our upcoming lectures. Thank you.